In this video, we're taking an honest look at Sellvia and whether it really works as a beginner-friendly dropshipping platform. Sellvia is designed to simplify the process of launching an online store by offering a ready-to-sell product catalog, mainly focused on the US market, with fast shipping and built-in fulfillment. The platform integrates smoothly with Shopify, allowing users to import products in just a few clicks without dealing directly with suppliers or inventory. One of its strongest advantages is delivery speed, as many products are shipped from US warehouses and can reach customers within a few days, which helps improve customer satisfaction and trust. Sellvia also claims to handle quality checks and order processing, which reduces operational workload and lets sellers focus more on marketing and store growth. However, it's important to note that Sellvia is more limited in product variety compared to global dropshipping platforms, and international shipping options can be slower or more expensive. Results also depend heavily on product selection, pricing strategy, and advertising efforts, so success is never guaranteed. If you're new and want a simpler setup with faster US shipping, Sellvia can be a practical option to consider. Subscribe now for more honest reviews and easy guides that help you build smarter online businesses.